We want you to get the best out of the app, so we just put this video together because it's not like any other app in the market, so you've got a good understanding of how it works. So yeah, just go into the app and it opens up for you. First thing is the pin will drop on the GPS coordinates of your phone. You can move the map around if you want to put another address in, or you can recenter by hitting this icon here. So for an immediate job, you hit instant. You would put in the desired destination there. I'm just going to put in an address of a local hotel. I'll select that. This box here would be the name of the business that you were at, if you were at a business or a hotel, bar, restaurant, etc. So the driver would know what the business you were on in that street. I'm just going to put in test because it's a test job. Continue. Next screen here, this is a regular job that you're doing. But if you were to hit car, that icon there, you can put in estate, minibus, 8-seater, change the car type, notes, any note for the driver. You have a dog, or go to the back door, please help with the luggage, whatever is relevant. This is a regular job. If you want to change it to a priority, you can. That's an extra £5. If it's busy or you want to jump the queue or you're in a hurry, you can do that. But if you're happy with these details, you request a ride, and it'll just tell you it's finding a driver. We show this to the drivers in your area, so you just have to wait for drivers to come back to you. And once drivers come back to you, that puts you in the driving seat. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or even 6 drivers coming back to you. We'll tell you who the drivers are, what cars they're driving, their star rating, are they pet friendly, is there CCTV on board, how long will it take for them to come and pick you up. So you get all that information and a countdown to select a driver. So I'll just take Angie. So now we've just connected you up with Angie, and we've told Angie she's got the job. So she'll start driving towards you. Down here you can send Angie a message, or you can phone her if you want. And there's a PIN code that you have to give to Angie when she turns up. So here you're told your driver is on the way. Once they get outside, you'll be told that your driver has arrived, so you would go out and look for Angie with that car and that registration number. Go to Angie and you'd have to give that PIN so the driver knows they have the right person. Once the driver gets that PIN, you'll continue on the journey. And head to the destination. And once you get there, the driver will, on the way there, you've got a few things you can do. You can go into options, share the tracking. So you can go into your contacts here, and you can add a contact, 2 or 3 if you want. And you can share that journey with anyone that's in your contacts. So then they can follow you on that route. Also in options, you have an SOS function. If you were to hit that, that would alert the local office that you weren't happy about something. So only use that, of course, if it's an emergency. That's an extra safety feature that's in there for you. So once you get to the end of the destination, the driver will clear on this job. Then this screen will pop up for you. If you've deviated off that journey for some reason, went to pick someone else up, stop at a shop, you would be owing Angie a bit extra, so you'd put that in there. If you want to tip Angie if you've done a good job, put it in there. If you want to rate Angie, which we want you to do, good practice, you can, 3 stars, 2 stars or 5 stars. If you're happy with that, put it in. Angie will do the same for you, rate you as a customer as well. So if you want to go and do an airport transfer, you would go into the airport icon, departures or arrivals. So if say you were arriving at the airport, you'd hit that icon there. Pick up date, I'll put in tomorrow. Pick up time, I'll put 1500, 15:30, 3:30. So you have to put the flight number in here. So that connects us up to the correct flight. So then you'd continue and the address that you're going to once you get collected from the airport. That's the journey there. If you're happy with the car type, leave it as it is. Notes, if you know what to do with the notes, and if it's just a regular pickup, and the estimated cost of the journey. So if you're happy with that, you just submit it. So that's gone into the system for drivers to have a look at for tomorrow, picking you up at 3:30. So just done. You've got one active booking, which you can look at if you pull it up. And also, if you go into your menu, you can have a look at airport transfers. So a driver will be having a look at their local airport with the activity of coming in and coming out. And when they see that you're looking for a collection and they're going to be in that area at the time, they would select their bid to you. So you can go into active bookings by pulling this up, and there you see a driver has sent an offer to you. You'd click on that, and it's Angie again. Again, you could have 2, 3, 4 or 5 people here, drivers here, that wishing to take this on. But once you're happy with a driver, you'd select them, and then that's you and Angie married up for tomorrow at 3:30 at Inverness Airport. So rest assured, Angie will be there for you tomorrow to collect you at the airport for 3:30. In the menu here, also, you've got SafeWalk. SafeWalk is if you're not wanting to get a cab home, or you just fancy having a walk home, or if you want to recommend this to someone, you would just put in a destination, same as you'd put a taxi destination in. Select that, and then again into your contacts, you can have 2 or 3, 4 or 5 people on your list there, and you would start tracking. So that walk to that destination will be tracked by whoever you sent that to. If you feel threatened in any way at all, you could hit SOS, that will alert the persons that you've sent the tracking to, and also the local cab office. Once you get to the end of the walk and you're home safe, just hit stop. That'll stop the tracking, and it'll send a notification to whoever you've shared that walk with. So that's how the app works. I'll just show you how I'm going to cancel this job here, because it's not a real job. That's it cancelled there now. So I hope that's a good video for you. Hope you've got a good understanding of how it all works, and hope you enjoy it. Please give us some feedback. Thanks very much.